Well, good morning. So first of all, I want to extend my welcome and thank you all for being here today. I also want to thank all the sponsors that make this possible. The cost of this event, you can imagine, is expensive, and we're very grateful for the support of the many organizations that you see out in the lobby. So I would add to Dr. Duker's plea to please give them a little bit of attention. As the chair of the Department of Neurology and Rehabilitation Medicine, we have three missions that we care very deeply about. First is patient care for patients with neurologic disease, and we certainly know what a difficult disease Parkinson's is. And also we have the missions of education and research. And as you saw, with regard to education, we have many trainees, including our neurology residents who may become Parkinson's doctors in the future, but also our fellows. Those are doctors who have completed a full training in neurology and are going to go on and specialize in movement disorders like Parkinson's disease. And then research. And we have a very large and diverse research program related to Parkinson's and other neurodegenerative diseases that if you come to see us at the UC Gardner Neuroscience Institute, we may offer you the opportunity to participate in a clinical trial, and I would certainly urge you to consider that if it's something that you're interested in. So I could not be more proud of our team of care providers from top to bottom that Dr. Duker just introduced, who provide the care for Parkinson's disease here. I would tell you, as a chair of neurology, it gives me great pleasure to go around the country and to compare our group to the other places, because I would say that we're among the best in the country and among the best in the world. And I simply could not be more proud of the care that you can get right here in this city. I'm further pleased to show you a picture of our building. Certainly you can go to the UC Gardner Neuroscience Institute website and see a lot more about it. On the website there's some really cool ways to see it, such as a fly-through video that would show you in 3 dimensions what it would look like to walk into the building. But this is something very special. It's new construction right downtown on our Clifton campus, and it is a building that has been designed not just to be a nicer place than our current building, which wasn't that bad, but this will be certainly a very beautiful deluxe building. But more importantly, for us, it is really meant to be something special centered around the patient. So I would like to highlight just a few of the things. During the design process, we actually involved patients at every stage. So we really were thinking about what would a patient experience be, how would it be best? How could we make that patient experience better? And as an example, the parking lots, which are below the building, I don't know if you can see a car coming out, no pointer. There's a car coming out sort of at the bottom there. There will be underground parking, and the parking lot will be completely flat with extra wide parking spaces, because when you get out of a car and you're suffering from a neurologic illness like Parkinson's, it can be difficult to get in and out of a vehicle and make your way to the elevators. And so having things like extra wide parking spaces, extra wide elevators, large hallways, we've tried to at every stage be conscious in the design of the building to be patient-centric. Even the bathrooms, especially designed to accommodate a patient with neurologic conditions. And so furthermore, what we hope to do with the building is really think about the process of care. So we know that going to the doctor's office is not easy and can be quite challenging. And our hope, as we complete the building, is to really rethink how care is delivered here. We would hope that if you come to see us, we would make your care as simple as possible by trying to find creative ways to bundle appointments together to make it easier so you can get all of your needs taken care of as much as possible in one-stop shopping, whether that's to get therapy or to get exercise and wellness information, or to get an imaging study, or to get laboratory tests, or whatever you might need. If you need to see more than one specialist, we'd like to try and bundle that together to make it a seamless process that's as patient-friendly as possible. Now, the building is going to be officially open and operating next April. Everything is on schedule with construction. And certainly, we hope that by then we'll have our processes worked out. I would tell you, you need to be patient with us in that is a pretty tall order. You can, if it was so easy to do that, I think a lot of places would have done it already, but we hope to really innovate in this idea, and that'll be our short-term and our long-term goal, is to make care easier for you in this building. If you are seeing patients outside of this building at our other excellent sites like Westchester, for example, the same processes I hope will be in play everywhere. This doesn't, just because it's a nice building does not mean that it's different care that you will get at our other sites. We expect that as we innovate on how to provide care better, we'll be able to do that at all of our sites. So I'll just close by saying again that I'm very appreciative for you guys being here. I think you have a great conference to look forward to, and certainly I'm very proud again of our team. Thank you.